In this video, we picked the best smart refrigerators. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So, leave the research work up to us, save your time and energy and pick your favorite one from here. Number 5. Samsung Black Family Hub. Total, CUFT 24.2/fridge, 16.2/freezer, 8.0. Family Hub helps you manage your home and your life. Twin Cooling Plus/Cool Select Pantry/Flex Zone Drawer. Dimensions, WHD 35 and 3/4 x 70 x 35 5/8. Weight 313 pounds. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Dometic CFX95DZW. 133 Ken/85 L capacity, dual zone cooling compartment. High performance compressor reaches 7 degree F, 22 degree C, with minimal energy consumption. Ultra low power consumption. Dimensions, 18.6 H x 37.7 W x 20.9 D. Heavy duty design. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. GE Profile 36-inch. 27.8 CUFT capacity. Keurig K-Cup brewing system. Wi-Fi connect. Showcase LED lighting. Electronic temperature controlled drawer, advanced water filtration. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. LG InstaView French. Total, CUFT 26 fridge, 17.2 freezer, 8.8. InstaView door indoor. Smart ThinQ technology. Slim space plus ice system. Print-proof stainless steel finish. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Samsung Stainless. Total, CUFT 22/fridge, 13.2/flex, 4.4/freezer, 8.8. Family Hub helps you manage your home and your life. Bixby Voice for hands-free control. Flex Zone adjustable shelves wine rack. Stainless steel finish. Please check the description for details and best price.